Now that we have a fair idea about the number systems as well, we can continue and move ahead. So, number systems can be divided into four major criteria or major categories: the binary, the decimal, the octal, and the hexadecimal. So, when we are talking about binary, it will have two numbers only, that would be 0 and 1. When we are talking about decimal, it will contain 10 numbers between 0 and 9, both of them included. Octal will have 8 numbers, 0 to 7, and hexadecimal will have 16 numbers, 0 to 15. Moving on, we start with the conversions. So if we were to convert decimal to binary, we're taking the example of 25. So this is in decimal and we have to convert it to binary. What we do here is we take 25 and we have to convert it to the base 2, because binary will be to the base 2, and we start dividing. 25 would be 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, and then there is one carry over here. Again, we divide it by 2, so we have to make sure that we are only dividing it by the base of what we want to convert the given number to. So here we are converting it to binary, so that is why I am dividing the given number by 2. So here there is 6 and this would be 0. 2 threes are 6 and there is no carry. 2 ones are 2, there is one carry, 2, and this would be 0 here, and then this would be 1. So this is what our sequence is. We are going to go from down to up, so from bottom to top. So the answer would be 11001. So 25, which is in the decimal form, can be represented as 11001 in the binary form. Okay, so similarly, if we were given a number 12.075 in decimal, and if we were to convert it to binary, it can be done like, again we'll take the whole number over here, so that is 12, and we have to divide it by 2 because that is the base of the answer we want it to be in. 2 6 are 12, there is no carry. Again 2 3s are 6, there is no carry, dividing it by 2. 2 1s are 2, there is a carry. 2 0 and 1. So going from down to up, the value of 12 in binary would be 1100. Now to find the value of 0.075 in binary, will be multiplying 0.075 into 2, and the answer that we get here gives us 0.15. So we take the 0 by here, and with the 0.15 we take it down and we again multiply it by 2, which gives us 0.3. So again we take we again take just 0.3 and we divide it by 2, it gives us 0.6. So here out of the 0.6, what we are going to do is we are going to keep only 0 here and we are going to take 0.6 down. When we multiply it again by 2, it gives us 1.2. So from there, I just take 1 and 0.2 gets multiplied by 2 again, which gives us 0.4. So I take 0.4 here and keep the 0 here. So before the point, whatever be the number here, we are going to put it here. We're going to keep it in the answer, and then the numbers after the pointer comes here. So because over here in this 0.6 into 2 gives us 1.2. So we are keeping the 1 in after the equal to sign, and we are taking the 0.2 here and we are again multiplying it by 2. Okay, so going ahead, 0.4 into 2 again gives 0.8. So I'm stopping it here. Here we go from up to down, so we can write 0.075, which is in decimal, as 00100 in binary. So our entire answer would be something like 1100.000100 in binary. So this is where we converted decimal to binary. Moving on to the next type, that is decimal to octal. We follow the same rules. We are taking 40 over here and we have to find the number to the base 8. So we will divide the given number by 8, which means 8 by 40 gives us 5. There is no carry. Then again 8, 0, and the remainder is 5. We go like this, so the answer would be 50. So 40 in decimal is going to be equal equal to 50 in octal. If suppose there were to be some number like 40.089 or something like that, or 98 here. So if this were its octal value, what we would do is, this we know is coming out to be 50. For this, we would go ahead and multiply the given number again by 8. So 0.098 into 8 gives us 0.784. So 0.784 would get multiplied by 8 again, which would give us 6.272. So 0.272 gets multiplied by 8, and the answer is 50 point something. So that is how we would go. So moving on to the last type of conversion from decimal to hexadecimal. So here what we do again, we repeat the same process. So we have got the number before the point. We're going to divide it by 16 in this case. So 16 and 16 into 6 is 96. So I'll be taking that, and the remainder is 4. Again 16, 0, and over here we get a 6. So we are moving like this. So it will be 64 point whatever is the solution. So 0.250 into 16 gives us 4. So we got a whole number here. Again, there is 0.00. So the simple answer for this is going to be 64.4.
So that is it for this video, guys. I will be posting a part 2 of this next week. So stay tuned for that. That is it for now. Bye.